You got the hiccups? Have you got the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? Huh? Do you have the hiccups? They're all gone. I don't hear them anymore. Can you say hey? Can you talk to me? Say hi, Mom. Say hi, Mom. No more hiccups. We need to do this again next time. Okay? This got rid of your hiccups. Yeah, they're all gone. I don't hear them. Aren't you happy? Are you happy that you have no more hiccups? Talk to me. Talk to me. Say thank you, Mom. I love you, Mom. Say something. You're just looking at me. Can you talk to me? What is it? What is it?